Hey there, my name is Claudia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch your own AI image generator. It takes a few seconds and is completely free. First, go to www.promptus.ai. Click the button on the home page. This will take you to the microsite login. Create an account and login. From here, scroll to the button that says Create AI Microsite. This will open our AI wizard. Type the description, theme, art style, and any specifics for your AI image generator. For this demo, let's create a fantasy-themed snowman Christmas card Ghibli-inspired AI image generator. Now click the Generate Microsite button. Congratulations, you've built your first AI image generator. Click the Edit New Site Configurations button to make your page public. In this page, you can see your website URL, the AI model options, image resolution, scheduler, steps, guidance, page title, pre-prompt and post-prompt, and more settings. Our AI wizard selects the best settings for your site, but if you want to adjust the model and any of the settings, you're free to do so. You can enable the email and social media sharing capability here. Click the Update settings to save your changes. Click the URL to open your new microsite. Your site is live for AI generations. If you want to change the front-end look and feel of the website, go back to the Edit page. Here's an example of an image generated on our new microsite. Click the image to zoom in or to download. Your website visitors can email the image and a message directly to friends and family on your new AI microsite. Type your name, your email address, your recipient's email, and a message. Click Send and your AI e-card will be emailed. So, how about starting your own AI image generator? Promptus, create your own AI image generator today for free.